Pooh from The Simpsons is kind of racist. Five more minutes.
Nolan, you've been asleep for a month straight. It's time to start the next season of Does It Science.
Oh, fuck. Hello, Internet. Welcome back to Does It Science, the only place in this wide world of web where you can find the continuity of consciousness and the chupacabra seriously discussed in the same breath on this flat earth we spin around on. But this season is going to be different. This season, we're going to hone in on a specific set of beliefs and ideologies that have long pervaded the internet, and that attempt to hide their unscrupulous claims under seemingly legitimate scientific jargon. Allegedly. Are you ready to get started? Because I sure am. Title card, show me our first topic. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Let's have some fun, shall we? Hey DJ, play my favorite song. Before we begin, a quick refresher course. The 5 criteria that an idea must meet in order to science are: falsifiability, the ability to be proven false. Obviously. A statement is falsifiable if it is possible to conceive an empirical observation or logical argument which could refute it. Reproducibility, an experiment or observation must be reproducible under various conditions to rule out any variables or anomalies. Control, the constant in an experiment. This is the variable that lets scientists know how much of an effect, if any, the independent variable has on the subject. Consistency. Being consistent with the findings of other fields of science is crucial. We're building a model for how reality functions. If biology were inconsistent with genetics, the whole thing starts to fall apart. No matter what you think you have found, if it isn't consistent with the larger field of science, you're going to have a much harder time making your case. And finally, naturalistic explanations for naturalistic phenomena. It is not our interest to prove or disprove claims of the supernatural, nor is that the function of science. We do, however, hope to find out if any supernatural claims could have a basis in the natural laws that govern science. Now, let's begin. Chakras. The fuck is a chakra? Well, chakras are focal points in the subtle body. Duh! There are 7 subtle bodies, or layers. Each subtle body connects to the physical body through energy points called chakras. The 7 chakras correspond to the root, the pelvis, the stomach, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown. Holy shit! I mean, what an interesting hypothesis. I wonder if this will science. Let's find out, shall we? Falsifiability. Unless you've got some sort of newfangled Soviet technology that lets you detect auras, there's no way we can tell one way or another if there's some sort of rainbow energy onion cloud surrounding everyone. Of course, some people make the claim that chakras both absorb and radiate electromagnetic radiation, such as microwaves or visible light. This claim can absolutely be falsified, as there's never been a documented case of someone's chest glowing with UV light radiating from their throat. Reproducibility. Kind of reflects on falsifiability, doesn't it? If subtle energy has ever been demonstrated, which it hasn't, it has never been reproduced under controlled conditions. Control. Doesn't seem to be anything here either. In fact, I honestly don't even know how you would control for something you can't measure. Look, I'm not gonna waste your time here anymore, okay? Let's just get through these. No. No. Yes! Really? No! The existence of subtle bodies, whatever that means, has never been demonstrated anywhere in nature. But perhaps I spoke too soon. According to the rational and objective minds over at modernchakra.com, there is an actual energy center, measured in brainwaves and electromagnetic activity that emanates from this regions. The heart chakra located in the chest slightly offset of our physical heart is clearly in a position of importance in our bodies. Scientists have measured an electromagnetic energy that emits out from the heart, both forward and backward, up to several feet from the body. These is real energy, a source of power. It is not a coincidence our heart chakra is in the location as well. Yes it is, because that isn't the location of the heart chakra, is it? Isn't it slightly offset from the heart, the physical muscle that is actually generating an electromagnetic current? But Nolan! Ah, fuck me. Who let him in? I'm so sorry, folks. This won't take long. What, Strawman? Your chakras are reflected in your energy signature. What, are you saying that all people who see auras are either dumb or lying, Mr. Science? Actually, no. And thank you for the segue into the only part of this that does science. Oh yeah, spoilers, chakras don't science. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. And that is the phenomenon known as synesthesia. Have you ever heard of people who can see sounds or hear colors? Well, outside of taking copious amounts of psychedelics, you could be one of the lucky 4% of the population that is born with this peculiar mental wiring. We're still learning about this, but one interesting thing we found is that not all synesthesia is alike. For instance, according to a study in the Journal of Cognitive Neuropsychology, while grapheme color synesthetes, those who perceive letters, numbers, or words as colors, almost always associate a word with a color, many lexical gustatory synesthetes, those who link words with a certain taste, don't have a particular association with every word. So no, if you see colors around people, or whatever, you aren't crazy, and you aren't a liar. You just can't see auras or chakras, because they don't exist. So take care of your body, because it isn't going to glow green whenever you need to drink more water. It's just going to make you feel awful, and then just let you die. Hope you had fun on the season premiere of Does It Science. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, tweet, dig, spam, aim, and all the other hip social worker things that kids are into nowadays. Just get the word out there. And if you want to watch episodes a week in advance, or if you want to see some exclusive content, Does It Science bloopers. Who doesn't love those? We did a whole episode on it. Remember Jacob was there? It was the best. Head over to IndiCarnival.com and join the Gumball Gang to get access to early episodes and exclusive content.
Exclusive.
Did you really say Jacob was there?
No.